They had caves with tracks inside and artillery pieces. That's why our planes and ships had such a hard time knocking them out. By nightfall, the Marines had established a beachhead. With their backs to the water, they dug in. The Japanese would try again and again to dig them out. They counterattacked 12 or 13 times. They got drunk on sake, then they came down yelling, "Banzai!" Somewhere along the line, the Navy wised up we were under attack, and all of a sudden it lit up like daylight with Navy star shells and gunfire. Here was thousands of Japanese setting out in the open. We mowed them down like cordwood. They came in waves, and it lasted all night. By the next morning, the battle began to settle into the pattern it would follow for the next few days. It was a struggle measured in feet and yards. Americans would push and scratch their way 2 steps ahead. The Japanese would push them 1 step back. To make things worse, the big Japanese guns kept shooting bullseyes. Radio man Charles Reed. It was as though the enemy had placed an artillery spotter right smack in the middle of the Marine command post. As it turned out, that's almost exactly what they had done.
We took this little coastal town called Kanoa. There was a sugar mill there where they'd been brewing booze. A great big smokestack, and there was a damn Japanese artillery spotter in there. It took a long time to figure out where he was, but we finally blew him out.